Welcome back, my pretty roses, and if you're new here, hi, welcome. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe and that notify bell so that you don't miss out on any future content. So today we're going to be doing a DIY matching two-piece set with matching socks to go with it, and it's inspired by the SKIMS Lounge collection by Kim Kardashian. And I got this sweater from Target. It comes in 3 shades, pink, white, and tan. I got it in an extra large. It's a very soft fabric, and it's very comfortable, and it's very stretchy, and it's great for a lounge, and it's very close to the type of fabric that Kim Kardashian uses. So if you're interested in this DIY, go ahead and sit back, relax, grab you a snack, and let's get started. Welcome to my craft table, pretty rose sewers. I got this tank top. This used to be a full body tank, you know, the ones that look like bathing suits, but I changed it into a backless crop top. So I'm going to use that for my guide. I'm going to just cut out, basically I'm tracing this out and I'm going to cut it into a crop top tank. Got my meat cutter scissors that I got from this knife set that's in my kitchen, and I just traded it out with my other crafting scissors because they got so dull that I couldn't even cut anything. Coming out really good. I feel like this is a really easy project for a beginner. It's just plain and simple. It's just a nice simple crop top, and that's always trending. If you're plus size, I would recommend getting the largest size in the plus size section. You could always find like even a large coat that is like super fluffy and nice, or a really large pajama sweater. Sometimes they have pajamas that are nice and fluffy like this, and you can always transform that into a matching crop top and matching shorts for your size, and I think it will come out super cute. Now we're gonna go ahead and pin the edges, because these are the sides that we're gonna sew this down and sew the other end down. And then we're gonna go over it all one more time around the arms, around the edge of this, so that we don't get any frayed edges. These are the 3 pieces that I have. This is the bottom of the sweater. This is the sleeve and the shoulder side, the shoulder. So it's basically this, and I just cut that. I cut down that way. So I'm gonna need to extend this up because this is too short to be high-waisted shorts. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut this extra fabric right here and attach it here, and then sew that together. Okay, this is the way it was originally. And if you put it to the side, just like this, it has 2 slits, perfect slits on the side of it, which is perfect because when you sew it right here, it's basically, you can already see the shorts. Now you just have to measure out how much you need to take off in order for it to fit around your thighs, right? And then you can extend length of it. All right, so this is what it's starting to look like. So that's how I'm going to extend the shorts. I'm going to sew that together so I can extend that. And for the back pieces, I'm going to go ahead and use this hoodie top. I'm going to split it in half, and then I'm going to use this to size up the amount I need. All right, so using this pattern that's already cut out, I'm going to use that to cut out another piece for the back. Okay, now that I got my pieces cut out for the top of the shorts, I'm going to go ahead and pin them and do a straight stitch so that they will come out like this, and I can attach them to the bottom part of the shorts. So we're going to go ahead and take it to my sewing machine. Like, seriously, girls, this is so freaking cute. It's already starting to come out like expected for Miss Amateur Rose over here. First, I'm going to, line up that top piece that I had put together with the bottom piece, and I'm going to sew it across with a zigzag stitch since this is stretchy, and it should come together pretty nicely. All right. Oh my goodness. My babies are everywhere. I sewed it together. Then I just trimmed it. So look, you guys, it's coming together like, dang. Who be me? I'm a professional now. I'm just kidding. But no, I ended up having one side right side up, and then the other side was actually backwards. And I had to take all the threads and tear them up. But hey, anytime you're learning something new, especially something that you love and you have passion for, it takes trial and error, and I'm getting a lot better. All my stuff is wearable now, and I used to, back then, I have some clothes that I made that were just not wearable, and I just had to give them to my niece who was 11. So now that I got this and the other side sewed on, I'm now going to sew down the sides of the shorts, and then I'm going to move on to the shirt. All right, pretty roses, I've got it all sewn up. Oh my gosh, I'm just in love with the fact that it's coming out so good. I'm gonna put it inside, the right side out. So that's what it looks like, right side up. Yeah, it's got some lines in it, but I feel like it gives it a little character. But yeah, I cannot wait to try this on for you guys so we can see how it really came out. And yes. Okay, you guys, so I am going to now make the socks. So these are the sleeves, and I'm basically going to, this is going to be the top of the sock because it has a really nice hem line, and I'm basically going to stick my foot in through this direction, and then I'm going to measure out and pin where it fits, and then I'm going to sew that. So I'm going to do it from the inside out so that I don't sew on top of the right side. And I'm going to go ahead and take these and measure my foots out and pin them. Okay, so I have my foot in the sock, and I basically am putting it up to where I want it, and then I'm going to grab and pin where it fits my foot, and then I'm going to sew across right here. That way it looks pretty good. And then I'm going to sew and then sew straight across. If you feel like the top part is a little too loose and you don't want it to slide down that easily, you can also pinch and pin where it'll fit you tight enough, comfortable enough to where it can slide on and off, but it'll still have a grip on your leg. And I recommend pinning this top part with a safety pin, because if you do it with a actual pin, it'll just come right off when you try to, yank it off your foot. All right, so I just got done sewing the sock, and look how that looks. That literally looks, it's the shape of my foot. It even has a bit of the curve of my foot. So I think it's really important to pin and pinch your fabric to the comfort of the size of your foot and what feels comfortable on you, and then sew, and then you just cut off the excess fabric and your sock will be good to go. Okay, so that you don't come out with an elf foot, with the tip all pointy like that, you're just going to open it up to the side, and you're going to do a straight stitch across, and then you're going to trim that point, and then your sock will come out like this. Hey, hi there. Hi, baby. What's up? What's up?